Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the windshield wipers for Nissan Leaf. I just pulled them up and then let me zoom in, and there is a snap-on button. As you can see, there's a snap-on button right there to open them. So if you want to open them, leave in the natural position, just push that lever a little bit down, then you push it down. That's it. It comes right off. Let me do it on a different angle. There is a snapping button that I just showed you to press. And you see this anchor, it just goes right into the anchor. Just goes right in, and then you can see that there is a click sound. Yeah, so that is the clamp that is holding it. So you just press it and then push it down. Press it and push it down inside, then right off. It's always safe to keep a cloth so that accidentally if you let it go, it wouldn't hit the windshield, otherwise it would easily crack it. Now that I have removed, it's time for replacing it. Let me open this up. Open the new one. This one is slightly different. So what I do is I'll push this lever up so that the curvature of this guy would just go in and sit here. So I'll let this guy go in. It's all the way in. Now I'll pull it out so that it will sit. Done. That's it. It's in place. Alright, there we go. That's how you replace a windshield wiper. The same goes for the other one, the other one on the back as well. Thank you very much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if it helped you. Have a great day. Bye.